Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color. On today's episode of the Basics of Color Mixing, we're going to be talking about contrasting colors. Sometimes contrasting colors are called complementary colors, but that terminology gets a little confusing because complementary with an E means that you're creating the biggest contrast, and complementary with an I means you're giving away something for free. So for the purposes of this video, we'll just call them contrasting colors. If we look at the super simple color wheel, we see that blue and orange, red and green, and yellow and purple are the three basic contrasting pairs. So first we have blue and orange, and we know that orange is a mixture of red and yellow. And then we have red and green, and we know that green is a mixture of blue and yellow. And finally, we have yellow and purple. And we know that purple is a mixture of blue and red. So if you don't have a color wheel and you want to sort of figure out which colors are contrasting pairs, all you have to do is think of the primary color and then think of the secondary color that is made up of the remaining primary colors. So I really hope that tip will help you in the future. And if you have any questions at all, just leave them down below in the comments. Next week, in episode 6, we're going to talk about tertiary colors, so stay tuned for that. And also subscribe if you haven't already, and then hit the bell so that you'll get notified as soon as we upload it. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for giving this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. I'll see you next week when we learn about tertiary colors.